Good morning, students. We read about Nelson Mandela and his effort in our previous video. Now in this video, we will read about the Constitution. The supreme law of a country containing fundamental rules governing the policy and society in a country is known as Constitution. Simply, if we talk about the Constitution, that what is Constitution? A Constitution is a set of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is governed. These principles together constitute the entity. A single collection or a set of legal documents in a written format is known as a written constitution. It is concerned with the different levels of organizations from sovereign states to companies and unincorporated associations. It defines the principle upon which the state is based on the procedure in which laws are made for the country. Simply, if we will say, it is the set of written rules by which a country is governed as a simple and good definition of constitution. Why do we need a constitution? Question arises. A constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in the country. Constitution is a supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a territory called citizens, and also the relationship between the people and the government. A constitution does many things. Which are these things? It generates the degree of trust and people who are living together in a country. It specifies how government will be constituted, who will have which power and to take which decision. It lays down the limits of the power of government also and tells us the rights of the citizens. It expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. All countries that have constitutions are not necessary they are democratic, but all the countries those are democratic will have constitutions surely. After the War of Independence against Great Britain, the Americans gave themselves a constitution. After the revolution, the French people approved the democratic constitution. Since then, it has become a practice in all democratic countries to have a written constitution. Every country drafted its own constitution. A constitution of a nation is a set of written laws accepted by all the people living in a country. It generates the trust and coordination as we have discussed. It specifies how government should be constituted. It lays down the limits of the powers of the government, and it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. Simply, we can say it helps to create a good society. Now, let us talk about the making of Indian Constitution. Which were the circumstances under which the Indian Constitution was drawn up? The making of the Constitution for a huge and diverse country like India was not an easy task. Thank you. Next we will read in our next video.